How to change your TikTok account from private to public. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Ready to share your TikTok content with the world? Here's how to change your account from private to public in just a few simple steps. First, open the TikTok app and tap your profile in the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy, then select Privacy. At the top, you will see the option to Private Account. Toggle it off and your account will be set to public. TikTok will confirm the change. And keep in mind, a public account means anyone can view your content, follow you, and interact with your posts. And that's it. You are now ready to share your videos with a bigger audience. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.